This video is about FolderMaker. FolderMaker is a file with script that helps you to create folders automatically. My sheet FolderMaker. There we have task IDs, ID folder to insert. You need to copy this ID from your browser URL of your folder. If you leave it blank, the new folder will be created into your Google Drive root path. Here's the name for your new folder, or several folders. In this case, 2019/01, 02, and so forth for 12 months. And many nested folders. How many folders I created for my old folder with this long ID. Old folders in Google Drive had this long ID. And this column link is just a link to this folder to help us find it. The link is created by the formula. You need to copy it down to see new links. Oh, that's it. Let's go to Tools, Script Editor. Here is the code. We have two files, code and const. In const file, you need to change this URL to your URL from your copy of FolderMaker. Then go to code, run this code, but of course you need to adjust the settings that I've shown you. And let's see, let's go create test1, and if a folder with the same name was created, then the script will ignore it, not creating same folders. Okay, I click run. The execution will take some time, and let's go back, and I want to see this folder 2019. I go to link created by the formula and see this is my sheet jobs folder, and this is new created folder 2019 and 12 folders inside it, just what I wanted to achieve. So please copy this file, you'll see the link below the video, and create your folders automatically.